Again.
Uh-oh. I did not rain is it way.
Again.
Way to the way. Way to the way. Way to the way.
Come again another day. Little Riley wants to play. Rain, go away. Other day. Bibi ni Mama. Uy, pag-rain na po day na. Pag-rain. Good morning na. Wake up na. Riley, can I carry you? Ay, kana ugrabadrit to. Pwede na. Go. Ayaw, ikon imong kuan kay mabasa imo ang buhok. Like that lang. Look at this fern. Very beautiful color. Also that one. It's water. So we are enjoying the rain with this little girl who always wants stones to throw in that pond. In that little pond. Riley! Updangga! Tulot man kaayo mo ambak. Balot kayo mo ambak. Ayaw lagi kayo nag-rain. It's rain. Rain. Si Inday. Walking. Ay, kayo nag-rain. It's raining. It's raining lagi. Those are leaves. Beautiful leaves. God. You go na. You go there na. Let's go. Look, a nice leaves. Hi, Auntie. Meow. Let's meow. Let's go, Riley. Let's go. Look at that. That's such beautiful. So we're just walking around. Sige. Hala, sige. Saka good. Saka. Oo. Ka-strong ang imong legs lang ga. Oh, careful. Do you want Mama hold you? Yes. Say yes, please, Mama. Stairs. Stairs. Wow. More. Throw a little more stronger. Yay. Sige pa. Stronger. So it is raining, not too strong, just mild, and I just want her to roam around, play. Then later we'll go inside the house and have a shower. Have a warm shower. Water man na, anak. Dali na. Oh, not in there, love. Mabasa man imong shoes. Okay, mabasa imong shoes. Na. Goy, di ka man doon siya dayon. Yes. Da. Yes. We love you all. I hope you enjoy this fun moment. Me and Riley are just running here outside while it's raining. Later we will have a warm bath. Oh, I think she loves to ride. Oh. Can you get up? Yes.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no.
Mga palangga, it's a no makeup afternoon. So, we just came back from running outside, chasing Riley. Nagtatakbo kami doon kahit umuulan. And Riley was enjoying her moment. She's playing with the leaves and stones. Parati niyang pinupulot yung mga stones doon, tsaka tinatapon sa parang small pond namin in front of our house. And it's a really nice afternoon. Gloomy pa rin, same as yesterday. Hindi talaga maiwasan na parang iba yung pakiramdam mo pag parang maulanan ka ng konti. So maybe later I'll have a warm shower with Riley after preparing our dinner. It's almost 4 p.m. So, normally at 4 p.m. nagpe-prepare na ako ng dinner pag maaga si daddy mo uwi. So, para meron na din siyang makain. And, where's Riley? Riley? Ayan. Nakatayo lang yan siya kasi gusto niya manood ng TV nang nakatayo. Riley! Shower na ta, love? Hi! Say hi to your beautiful mga palangga. Ayan, I put this rubber here to protect her kasi yung ulo niya, ayan. Ayan, kasyang-kasya na sa ulo niya. She might bang and hurt herself. So, you know, we need to keep our home safe for the toddler. Hindi na natin maiwasan ng disgrasya. And thank you so much sa pag-join ng aming vlog-vlogan, a no makeup, lipstick, and kilay day for mommy kasi malamig. Ayay, naghanap na ng dudo. Sige guys, bye-bye na guys. See you. Oh, dudo. Oh, say dudo. Oh, say car. Ay, very good. What else do you know? Dada. Say apple. Show your teeth, be. Show your teeth. Thank you so much, guys. Dudu. Oh, thank you so much for.
Thank you.
I know. Thank you so much mga palangga. We miss and love you all, family and friends around the world. Keep safe. Mwah. Kiss. Mwah.
God made me in a wonderful way. I can see and